stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away. Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Hey friends, welcome back. I'm so excited for another fall decorating video. Today we are doing the bedroom. This video is fully packed, so if you're ready, grab something cozy to drink and let's jump right in.
Why does the rain always keep on pouring down?
Okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to create a little DIY garland. I picked up these lights from Amazon. I'll link them down below, but I figure I will add that in with my garland from last year. We'll add in a few pieces just to bring it all together. My bed is massive, you guys. I'm 4'11". There's no way I could make this bed and just drape the garland over it. It wouldn't even be completed in a center. It would be so funny. So unfortunately, I have to do my garland first. So we're gonna do that. But this is my rug that I had in my living room for fall last year. And I love this rug because it has all the beautiful rich tones in it. And that's a lot of what these fall florals are inspired from, is this rug exactly. So I thought it would be a good addition to the bedroom. I want to start on this, and then I'll show you all of the new decor we're going to be bringing in.
It's gray outside.
To start off the base of this garland, I am using a Hobby Lobby, just plain leaf garland. I think they're around $9.99. And then I mixed it with the lighted garland from Amazon. And I'm going to go through and add a few picks to just give it that fullness. These picks can be found at Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby.
How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
After adding in all of the leaves, I decided to add in a few floral picks. I'm starting with these sunflowers from Dollar Tree. Just such a fun, bright addition. I don't know why people always say that you can't do the bright oranges and yellows, because I'm from the Midwest, and let me tell you, we have a ton of trees that are bright orange and bright yellow in the fall, and I just find these colors to be so beautiful. The new sunflowers that you see me adding in, these are of a little bit higher quality. They're really heavy, which is why you see I'm trying to pin them backwards a bit. Those are from Hobby Lobby, and they're so beautiful. I've used them in my garland in my living room, and they are just a great investment piece.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
Next, I am adding in these beautiful picks. They're little pumpkins with the green leaves. I love the green. It's going to help bring out some of the green in my throw pillow and also give this area a little bit of height. I like that it's a different texture, and it just kind of switches up the garland a bit. That is it for the garland. I'm loving the way that it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? And I also wanted to mention today's video is in collaboration with my good friend Lorena here on YouTube. She is adding some beautiful fall touches to both her kitchen and her bedroom. Lorena's style is seriously stunning. She has the most cozy, peaceful decorating style probably that I know here on YouTube, and you guys will definitely want to follow her. So head to my description box, head over to Lorena's channel, let her know Ashley sent you, and make sure you hit that subscribe button.
I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time.
Alright, we have have just a few new things for the bedroom. I didn't go crazy. I wanted to keep this area pretty just clean and peaceful. I have this gorgeous embroidered pillow from Home Goods. This was in my Home Goods haul, my first one. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. This was $34.99 and it is the brand American Harvest. I bought these 2 bunches of beautiful stems. This is from Marshall's and they were $9.99 each. I grabbed a couple leaves from Hobby Lobby. I just loved how natural these looked. I thought it would balance out some of the orange, and these were $2.99. I also have this beautiful glass pumpkin. It lights up. It is one of the Made in India glass pumpkins from Home Goods, and this one is $14.99. I grabbed 2 of these pumpkins from Marshall's. I love them. They're fabric, so cute. I do plan on putting one on the bed. Even though the stem is plastic, I don't have little ones, and Steven and I can easily set that aside. And these were $7.99. I also have this beautiful, I loved this when I saw how perfect it matched all of the other orange. I just thought it was a perfect addition. So this is the honey pumpkin candle. It is $9.99. This is from Marshall's. I wanted a new basket in here. I loved how neutral this is. Almost looks like a whitewash or bleached. And this one is $8.99 from Home Goods.
I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time.
If you are here from Lorena's channel, welcome. I'm so excited that you are here. My name is Ashley and I teach decor secrets on how to make everyday life at home Pinterest worthy. We love seasonal decorating and cooking, anything that just makes a house a home. So if that is what you are into, make sure you hit that subscribe button and introduce yourself down below so we can all get to know you better. This is going to be our best holiday season yet, and I can't wait to share it with you as well.
Just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotion. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. Waste of time.
As the days get shorter and we lose all of that beautiful sunlight, I am from Michigan, so our falls and winters can be very, very dark. I like to add a little glow to every corner of the house just to make it feel a little warmer and cozier. So now that I'm done wiping this down, I'm going to come in and add those beautiful faux stems. Those are not bendable, by the way, so make sure you have wire cutters if you plan on purchasing them for your home. And I'm going to add in this little glowing pumpkin. My husband actually doesn't do well with candles, so having something flameless like this or a diffuser is a great option in the bedroom.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It's started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you?
All right, y'all, it is time for dinner. My kids just came in from playing outside and they are starving, so I am gonna make their favorite air fryer chicken tacos. These are so simple. Dinner will be on the table in 20 minutes. So I am taking 2 pounds of shredded chicken, adding 1 packet of taco seasoning, a half of a jar of salsa, a little bit of water, about a 1/4 cup, and 1 package of cream cheese, and you are going to heat that all up in a skillet until it's combined. This will be the filling for our tacos.
Guess from pillar to post, there's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you.
After you put all of your ingredients in the pan, go ahead and put your top on. Let that simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes and then mix everything really well. You want to make sure you don't have any chunks of cream cheese left over. And can I tell you, this is just such a delicious mix. You don't even need to add cheese. The cream cheese is really all you need combined with those other flavors. For this recipe, we like corn tortillas, but you can absolutely use flour if that's all you have on hand or what your family prefers. I do about 4 at a time. I place them in the air fryer, hit it with a little bit of avocado oil. I close that top and set it at about 375 for 5 minutes. After that is done cooking, I am going to pull them out and plate them, take it over to the chicken filling, and we are going to fill them. I noticed that about 1 to 2 tablespoons is all you need to fill this. Be careful not to overfill it, because if you do, when you cook it in the air fryer, it will overflow. You'll know that you have too much filling if you are getting ready to press those edges down and the chicken is either all the way at the top or about to spill over. You'll see that here in a second. I accidentally put too much and I had to go back through, couldn't close it, and so I had to scoop some out. That's how you'll know if it's too much. After you are done filling all 4 of your taco shells, you are going to want to take it back over to the air fryer, and I usually cook them at about 375 for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then I'll flip it over. You can absolutely do 400 degrees if you like yours a little crispier. Now you can top it with anything you like. You can keep it as simple as onions and cilantro, but I do a little bit of sour cream, add in some romaine, a little bit of tomato, onion, cheese, cilantro. I add in a little bit of lime and some salsa. I know it seems like a lot of ingredients, but the kids loved it. It was a big hit. So I hope you guys truly enjoyed this recipe. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. I know it is back to school time. Life is hectic, and these are the kind of recipes that help us get through the week. If you like today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you head over to Lorena's channel and check her out. I'm so excited that it is the holidays. We have so many fun videos coming up, so make sure you guys stick around, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.